More than 24 healthcare-related facilities are working together here at the Buffalo Niagara Medical Campus. Their collaboration is doing great things for the city of Buffalo. Throughout the past 20 years, the Buffalo Niagara Medical Campus has brought together the best hospitals, researchers, and schools to improve healthcare and strengthen our economy. Allegra Jaros, president of the John R. Oshai Children's Hospital, says that without the joining of these institutions, Western New York would not have access to vital resources.
If we weren't 125 years old and we didn't have the University of Buffalo connected to us, we wouldn't, as a community, have access to these services, and we would have to leave the area in order to get them for our children, and that would really be detrimental.
The corridor located in downtown Buffalo has seen major advancements in medical treatment and breakthroughs in the overall well-being of their patients.
The new space has, from a quality and innovation perspective, afforded us the ability to offer new services, new programs that again, patients and families would have had to leave the area for. For example, our joint operating or a joint venture with Roswell for the inpatient pediatric and ambulatory joint program has afforded us the ability to not only provide BMT and CAR T-cell programs to kids under the age of 5, but also we're now involved in a dozen or so clinical trials that we would not have been involved in the past.
Another key organization within the Buffalo Niagara Medical Campus is Kevin Guest House, created as a place for people to stay while their family members received medical care.
So we are really the first, America's first healthcare hospitality house in the country, and now there are over 600 homes around the world similar to that.
Annie Agrasto has stayed with Kevin Guest multiple times since 2018. She says she wanted to stay close to the hospital and fell in love with the family atmosphere.
It's a blessing. It's a gift, and it's been my rock and my resource. The staff, the volunteers, everyone is very warm and welcoming and supportive and compassionate.
Lindsay Weaver, the executive director of Kevin Guest House, says that the unique benefits of the medical corridor have drawn in many families from out of state.
We've really seen the effect of just people working, more buildings going up, more research facilities going up around us, and businesses and more employees. But of course, having everything right here, it means so much to families, especially with Children's Hospital, working directly with Roswell.
The future of the Buffalo Niagara Medical Campus relies on donations. The generosity of Western New Yorkers has helped the medical campus grow.
We need it. We can spend $500,000 in about a day. And we really rely on our foundation and the work that our volunteer board does to generate $10 to $15 million a year for operating funds for the hospital for us to do all of that, and that takes a big amount of money. And the only way to get those type of funds into our foundation is through awareness and word of mouth.
For more information on the Buffalo Niagara Medical Campus, visit our website at broadcastingbuffalo.com. In downtown Buffalo, I'm Julia Soluri.